Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many WSL2 users might encounter. So here's the problem. Imagine you're on WSL2 running Ubuntu v22.04 and suddenly you realize that something is listening on port 8000. You check with the command ssltnp, but there's no PID associated with whatever is using that port. Frustrating, right? You've tried rebooting, restarting WSL, but nothing seems to work. How do you find out what's hogging port 8000? Let's dive in and solve this mystery together. Now, let's move on to the solution. The key to uncovering the PID associated with port 8000 lies in an unexpected place, Windows itself. By running the command netstat anno-find-star 8000 on your Windows system, you'll reveal the elusive PID that's causing all the trouble. In this case, the PID 1216 was linked to Docker Desktop backend. Once Docker Desktop was stopped, the port was finally freed, allowing you to breathe a sigh of relief. In summary, when faced with a mysterious port hogging situation like the one on port 8000, remember to expand your search beyond WSL. Sometimes the solution lies in Windows itself, as we discovered with the netstat command. With a little detective work, you can put an end to the pesky process and reclaim control of your ports. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below with your own tech mysteries. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.